Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, sorry that I did not post it, did not put an intro on this video because this video is super extremely video, and I'm just going to just tell you what's up and stuff. Hold on, let me fix something. Okay, I fixed it. So I'm gonna have a live stream upcoming. I want to description. I want to update, no, cancel. I want to update the date. 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 Oh no, Bro, I want to upload today. Wait. Hold on. What's going on? Hold on. Public. I don't. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Actually, I'm going to delete this. I want to delete this. Delete forever. So guys, I have to do it again. So yeah, you guys can watch me do this because I don't know. I'm just going to do it on a Monday. Actually, I'm going to do it on a Wednesday at 5 p.m. Guys, I don't know if you guys would be knowing what I wait, all about me, public, yes. Description, I'm going to show you guys all about me and what I wanna do for this channel. And what's it? Comedy entertainment. Okay, so it's going to be November 8th. Make sure you can make it. If you can't, just I don't know, tell me that you can. And yeah, let me get my timer on for 5 o'clock on a Wednesday, guys. A Wednesday. Do not go on there someday else. It's then you won't be able to join it, and then you're gonna be super sad about that and stuff. So yeah, so here is the scene and create boom. So you guys should definitely come and join it. Guys, I do have a Discord. It's right here. I'll link it down in the description below. If you guys want to tell me something, if you can't come and stuff, you guys can definitely tell me that down below. And yeah, so I'll just link you down below in this video. And yeah, I already put up my Christmas tree, and I have one for my room. But yeah, I don't know what to say, actually. I just want to talk to you guys because I'm bored. And yeah, I'm alive. I'm gonna go on. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna link that down in the description. That's all.